You're watching EDS TV. I bet he was standing there brazenly telling the police officer the pickup truck driver was at fault. For every one of these crashes, there's 100 more near misses where the wrong way car runs someone off the road and just takes off. I was in a similar situation once, but instead of it being from oncoming traffic, it was someone turning left from the other road. A truly scary moment. Always look out before you move. Not only are they dumb enough to drive across four yellow lines, they also don't understand you yield to the right for emergency vehicles. You don't stop in the far left lane. However, common sense isn't common anymore these days.
What the fuck?
Isn't it funny how both the camera and that person ended up in the same place anyways, and yet she needs to risk getting into a head-on collision? People that drive like this don't have the best critical thinking abilities, and the middle finger at the end shows a complete lack of awareness. It's so cliched that the wheel came off and rolled away by itself. Robert the Tire does that sometimes. Usually it's not a problem, but be careful if he takes a long ride. Looks like they gave up last second on taking that exit, but slowing down like that in the fast lane to squeeze onto the off-ramp is just really bad driving.
Probably didn't have an internal water source, or if she did, there's a good chance she didn't. I guess by 40 you would have. But you think about the time, how life was different for a housewife back then. She had to cook.
First off, kudos to the camera for stopping to help. It looks like the white car was staring into the sun as the sun is behind the camera, but to then simply go ahead is just insane. That's weird. This also reminds me of something that my driving instructor told me. He said that if you can't see the back tires of a car in front of you, you're too close. How did they not see that big truck coming towards them? I think that's how the driver received their handicap tag from the previous accident.
In a quarter of a mile, turn left on Sam Rayburn Tollway North.
Wow, the truck driver just drives right into the camera's lane and no questions about it. Nighttime, lights are on, and there's no excuse for not being able to see the camera. How many cars do you think ended up being involved? 3 for sure, but maybe there was a 4th. All because of one idiot in a hurry. I'm sorry I can't help it, but I just have to say, you picked a fine time to leave me, loose wheel. This driver forgot what a brake is and caused a minor fender bender. At least they cleared it rather than putting on the hazards right there. The Kia has time to get out of her car at a green light, but heaven forbid she misses an exit. The Nissan driver was a dangerous douche, but the BMW driver didn't help matters by acting irrationally. I truly hate the mentality of, they have time to slow down for me, so I have time to go. That mentality has so much entitlement. That's some sharp eyes on the cam truck. Avoided a double catastrophe. I imagine the out of control truck was holding onto his horn like a handle, hoping it doesn't kill anyone. It looks like they were using clamp-on style roof racks that came off. Clearly, no one slapped the kayaks and said, "These ain't going anywhere."
Whoa! Whoa!
Ironically, he was probably more concerned with getting out of the way for the cop than checking his blind spot. You'd think that someone with a cop behind them would decide, this is a good time to use a turn signal, but nope. Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing because it really helps me. If you'd like me to feature one of your clips, please email it to originalddsTV2@gmail.com.